Let's talk about innovative new media that will show you not only how to establish a database, but also how direct mail is the driving factor for your direct marketing campaigns. We're proud to offer multiple print platforms, allowing us to select the most appropriate and effective method of printing based on the depth and consistency of customer data. For example, if you're running an acquisition campaign and have limited demographic information about your prospects, we will formulate a print option that speaks to your customers in a visually stimulating manner, but doesn't cost an arm and a leg. On the flip side, if you have detailed demographic, geographic, and even psychographic information about your customers, we can create variable print pieces that are individually tailored to speak to your customers through digital printing solutions. Imagine the power of sending your customers a piece that contains images and text that is completely relevant to their interests and buying habits. Through our business rules, we essentially start with a blank piece of paper. Then, through a database-driven system, we organize galleries of images, text, and languages in order to ensure consumers feel their marketing communication was custom-made, well, just for them. This type of special treatment evokes consumer activity and response that allows you to identify hand raisers and increase the relevance of future communications with your target markets. Our competitive advantage, well, in fact, your advantage, is the ability to test and track dynamic print solutions alongside traditional print methodologies in order to formulate the most cost-effective way to speak to your customers. It's all part of our Marketing Labs program. The end result? We develop a unique formula for your business that allows you to advertise with confidence and continually increase your marketing ROI.